Pangkulong kayo ah. Harap ma'am, harap. Ayan. 1, 2. Ayan. O, pakilala kayo ma'am. Sino po ma'am may bantay? Kayong dalawa?
Hi, I'm Erin Balanoy, owner of Fashion de Caldera or Igor Fashion Cutting from La Trinidad.
La Trinidad. Okay. Sige ma'am, explain niyo yung mga products niyo.
Ang products namin is Cordillera wearables and accessories.
Okay.
Kasi meron tayong mga pouches, meron tayong mga headbands, earrings, and bags. Ayan. At meron din po tayong yung traditional instrument na ginawa rin namin na
necklace.
And we have foods also. We have strawberry, we have jams, we have vegetable chips.
Malunggay.
Yes.
Malunggay chip.
Carrots.
And carrot. So, can you give us the prices, ma'am? O, itong Mami LA veggie price carrot.
150 lang po.
150.
Yes, 185 grams. Same size po.
And then, even the malunggay.
May malunggay, may carrots. Wala po siyang preservative, wala siyang food coloring.
Ito naman mga dried strawberries. Simulan natin. 100.
Yes. Yema spread, we have 120.
Yema spread.
Ube jam is 350. And the strawberry jam, 380. Because this is with chia. And lemon tea with ginger. 500 ito.
Yan, di kabisado.
Hindi kasi kay kuya to eh. Pero consolidated po kasi ito ng mga, not just one, but 1, 2, 3, 4 MSMs.
So, ito sa inyo, can you give us yung price range ng mga yan?
Price range, this is only 150, 150, 150, 550, 150 yung pouch natin.
So, hindi nagbigay yung price range, talaga yung actual price na. Ayan. Ano yung piniprint nyo? Ito? Lahat.
Yan po ang pre-taste natin.